everybody, welcome back to my channel, Auto Food Class, and today we're going to be making clothespin butterflies, and before we get started, like and subscribe. We're going to be using Mod Podge, some glitter, clothespins, and pipe cleaners, and colorful beads. So, first we're going to be making the body, and we use Mod Podge and put it just put the Mod Podge on the top. And then sprinkle the glitter. Okay, and there. So I'm gonna set the clothespin aside to dry, and I'm gonna put the beads on the pipe cleaner. So I'm gonna be using yellow and purple. Do it in a pattern. The pattern I'm doing is one purple, two yellows, one purple, two yellows. So once you have your beads on, you have to leave space at the end and do this and twist it. Once you twist the ends, pull your middles together and twist it. And then you have a ring. So once you have that ring completed, start the other ring. I'm doing the same colors, but I'm doing two purples and one yellow. So I'm starting with the one yellow and just doing two purples and then another one yellow. I'm just putting it right here so I have some space left. And just keep on going. It's finished, so now we just do this again, twist it. So this is what it looks like. We just put the bead beads on the rings and put the rings in the middle right here. And you might need to touch up the glitter a little. For the antenna, we just cut pipe cleaner and just curved up these sides and put some pink beads on it. And there's the antenna. We just took the top ring out, twisted the antenna around the top ring and put the top ring back, and this is what it looks like at the end. I hope you guys all liked the craft I did today. I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!